Hey everyone, it's Vlogmus, and right now it's still technically December 5th. However, I'm recording this for release on December the 7th. From the last video, you knew it was cold this morning, and my thermometer said it was 45, but I think it was closer to 40, especially in the garage. It was cold. And right now it's about 53 to 55 out. So in this temperature, I think that I can get some work done. So I'm going to try and get some work done. So I'm going to start listing things. And as you can see, I have my tea right here. I have my laptop, my tablet, my phone. So let's go ahead and let's do this. So in a previous video, you've seen me mention this particular Emerson VCR. And I bought this for $10 and it's time to start moving it. So I'm going to go ahead and list this so I can get this sold. Once I get this listed, I'm probably going to store this particular VCR underneath this TV like I have been. This is so I can continue to test VHS tapes in it. I believe I've already tested this, but we're going to go ahead and test this. So I've got Back to the Future right here, Back to the Future Part 3. We're just going to stick this VHS in there and see if it actually plays. So we got my awesome TV hooked up to it. And we're just going to take the tape right here and put it right into the VCR and see what happens. Well, it's trying to play. Well, it looks like Back to the Future Part 2. Well, Part 3. And rewind. We're not going to watch too much of it because, you know, copyright. There we go. There we go. It looks like it works, so we can go ahead and get this listed. Okay, so I got the VCR photograph, and I got it put back underneath the TV right here, and that's where I'm just going to leave it for right now. And to wrap out the day today, I'm just going to pull out one of these bins right here and start going through it and start photographing items. That way I can just go ahead and take the memory card and stick it in the computer. But the thing is, I can list inside as well. So I'm probably just going to make sure that all the photographs are taken out here and then list them on the computer later. My laptop does receive our Wi-Fi signal out here. We just got a new router in our house, so that's not going to be a problem to list out here. On our old router and old internet connection, it was a problem, but out here it's not a problem anymore. I've listed out here several times. I just want to get the photographs taken before it gets cold again, because I only really have an hour before the sun goes down.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want just a boy. Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am. But right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song.
So I've got a few things photographed and ready to be listed when I get inside. It's starting to get cold, so I'm going to head inside in a few minutes. A few things I got photographed were this audiobook on CD. All the CDs are in there. I know this works because I did test it a while back. So that's going to go right here on number 2. I also got Nintendo Dogs listed. Now this isn't an overall good game, well, as far as price goes, but I have it. I think I got it for free, so I might as well list it and get rid of it. I also got the True to Light makeup mirror photographed as well, and I got a few other things photographed too, so I'm going to be busy tonight getting things listed. I was going to photograph Doc right here, but he needs cleaning before I photograph him, so he's going to get listed another day. So we're going to go ahead and just put him down here, and we're going to call it a day. And I'll see you in the next video.